I have a question for you, and I'd like you to think about it. What's important to you? What matters to you? What keeps you up at night? What keeps you from reaching your goals or stepping forward or going for the things that you truly want to go for? What are your values? What do you think is worth your time, your energy, your money, your life? I don't think many of us actually consider these things when we're going through our day to day. We're so busy being busy. We're so busy trying to help somebody else reach their dreams or their goals, be it, we're trying to jump in the car to get to work, or we're trying to get a particular task done, a program, a project, a particular mission that someone else has assigned to us. A goal that's not really our goal. It's a goal that's going to help somebody else reach their goal with no concern on us reaching ours, with no concern on us going forward and reaching our potential, showing our potential, or coming anywhere close to it. We exchange our time for something called money. But what's truly important to you? Is money truly important to you? Is one more pair of shoes, one more car, one more house, one more zero on your bank account? Is that truly, does that truly have value? Does that truly matter to you? Is that truly important to you? I think a lot of us sell our souls for a little bit of nothing. We're so caught up in the drama and the fake and the pretense and the fake things that are around us that we accept a lot less than what we deserve. Years ago, I said to my father that I didn't understand why he worked 5 days a week for 2 days off. The answer that I got from my dad was, "Boy, shut up." But that's a real serious question, one that I myself even forgot. What is it that you're working for? What are the goals that you're reaching? Are those goals that you're going to be proud of, or are they things that are just going to be fleeting? Things that are going to not really amount to much? Things that aren't even really important to you, but they're important to somebody else. It's putting somebody else in a yacht. It's putting somebody else in a penthouse. It's putting somebody else in a position where they can laud over you or stand over you even more than they already are, whether you actually see it or realize it or not. How many times have you had a supervisor that was incompetent, had no compassion, no empathy nor sympathy, didn't really give a crap about you? How many times have you busted your butt to get to a job or a position that didn't fulfill you? And at the end of the day, if you were to leave, they would replace you with somebody else almost just as easily as they replaced the person before you with you. Again, it's just something to think about. I'm not telling anybody what to do, but I'd like you to think about what's your true value. Are the people that call yourselves your friends, are they really your friends? Are they there when you need them? Or are they only around when it's convenient? Are they people that stand by you? Or are they people that talk about you behind your back? The family members, the car you drive, all of those different things, are those things that have any real value to you? Or are they just things? Again, it's just something to think about. It's just a thought. With that, you have a great rest of your day.